The Social Security Administration has reversed its decision to cut phone services for millions of Americans filing retirement and disability claims. This move comes after public backlash and a revealing report by The Washington Post. The initial plan would have required elderly and disabled individuals to rely solely on in-person visits or online services, potentially affecting 73 million Americans who depend on Social Security. However, one aspect of the fraud prevention initiative will still proceed. Beneficiaries can no longer change their direct deposit banking details over the phone. The SSA stated that about 40% of direct deposit fraud is linked to phone calls requesting bank information changes. They emphasize that the current phone verification process is insufficient to prevent fraud. This change is expected to be implemented by the end of the month, as confirmed by the Department of Government Efficiency, led by Elon Musk. Musk's involvement in this initiative aligns with his ongoing campaign against fraud, reminiscent of his efforts against bots on social media. Despite SSA's clarification that outdated records, not fraud, caused anomalies like individuals appearing over 150 years old, Musk continues to push the narrative of century-old beneficiaries. Stay tuned to BET.com for more updates on this developing story.